Buddiz! Guess what? Today is Mother's Day! Yay! I want to do something really special for my mommy. She hugs me when I cry. She makes me yummy food. And she gives me goodnight kisses every day. So first, I'm going to make a card. Let me get my crayons. Pink, red, and glitter. What else? I know. Mommy loves chocolate cake. Let's go to the bakery and get one. I'll pick the biggest, yummiest cake ever. I'm putting the card on the table, and the cake too. It's all ready. I love my mommy so much. She helps me when I'm sad. She reads me stories. She makes me feel safe. She is my best friend. Now it's time for a surprise song. Let's sing for all the mommies out there. Come on, sing with me.
Happy Mother's Day to you. Kisses, cuddles, hugs times two. Thank you, Mommy, for all you do. You're my sunshine, I love you. Mommy, you're so sweet. You hug me tight and tickle my feet. You make me laugh, you make me play. I love you more every day. Happy Mother's Day, you. Kisses, cuddles, hugs times two. Thank you, Mommy, for all you do. You're my sunshine, I love you. Mommy, you're so kind. You always care, you're one of a kind. You hold my hand, you sing with me. You're the best there'll ever be. Happy Mother's Day, you. Kisses, cuddles, hugs times two. Thank you, Mommy, for all you do. You're my sunshine, I love you. Happy Mother's Day to you.
I love you, Mommy. Happy Mother's Day to you. And happy Mother's Day to all the mommies out there. Bye, buddies. See you soon.